Now that we've completed our haircut, we've already established the basic shape, we've removed the length that we wanted to remove, we've got him set on a pattern to grow a little bit of this hair out so that it lays a little bit nicer for him, and we've texturized to remove the excess bulk. The last thing to do now is to just finish up and clean up the edges. We're going to use our little peanut trimmers, and I'm going to turn them around just a little bit here so we can see the neckline. A couple key points to make about this. You have several options when you're establishing the neckline. It can either be a little bit shorter and wider, more square across, and you want to put that on a client whose neckline is a little bit, whose neck actually is a little bit more narrow. If the client's neck is extra wide, then you want to sort of V it in a little bit, and that'll create a little bit of a slimming effect. So in this, we're just going to follow the shape that's in the line that's already established. With the clippers, it's virtually impossible to cut or hurt someone. However, you don't want to bear down too hard, as you could create just a little bit of an abrasion against the skin. If the cape was placed too high, then we can always unsnap it and just lower it a little bit so that we can get down to the lastmost part of his hair. And again, we're just using gentle, light strokes that start right at our design line that we've established and then just stroke down and away.